One day I'm gonna catch this light in the refrigerator slacking. I swear.
Come on, man, you got this. Ready? Come on, you got this. What the heck?
Encouraging us to perform.
I like that.
I should have got that, huh?
No. Jump to it.
Oh!
Yes.
He got it!
Cool kids area only.
Oh my.
It just takes it off the little.
That's really good.
And cut.
I've never done this before.
I've done it before, huh?
Love.
Oh! Oh! That's a lot of airplanes! Oh!
That's what you're gonna want to do.
Exactly that. I need to get high. Oh. Perfect.
It's just like Skate 3!
A little. 360 speed.
Oh, shoot. What's your name? Lazarus? What are you eating?
No? Here, just watch. Oh, no. Or, yeah.
Did you just drop your watermelon? How'd you get another one? It's just a, whoa! What? Isaiah picks up the watermelon and eats it.
We'll probably like.
Go.
We need to practice it.
Oh, yo! Oh, yo! Yeah! Can you guys all line up next to each other and drop in at the same time? No, I'm just kidding. You guys drop in and get stuck halfway, just like shoulder to shoulder. Oh, alright. You hate who?
Necklace.
You hate Nicholas?
Oh God.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh. Let me see them ankles. Oh, drop that. Oh.
Epic transition.
Oh. Hello.
Hi.
Bro, that was so overexposed.
No. This morning.
Oh, you want to go again?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay, for sure. So look at the board and then his shoes.
Yeah, but the
I
board's
know.
like dirty.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Second tried it.
Ooh!
That was catchy.
Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. I know, it was scary, huh? Yeah. What's fishtail?
That's how we got this. I fishtailed it and almost did a tail whip around it.
Show the camera, show the camera. Bam! Yeah!
Oh my God.
We're getting tacos now.
Alright.
Strawberry. That's all, folks. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting next Sunday. Listen to every time it hits the bell. In English, we call him Malachi. But in German, we call him what?
Wiener Schnitzel, because he's a snack.